Meron tayong question dito from Miss Sub. Hello, Sub. After po ng 5-year contract niyo, citizen na po ba kayo ng Japan? If not, what are the options for us to be able to stay there? Can we extend the contract directly? Okay, so after the 5-year Jet ALT contract po, hindi pa po automatic na magiging Japanese citizen. Actually, ang Japanese citizenship po requires long-term residency. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, around 10 years. And of course, merong mga requirements na sinusunod dyan like yung financial stability mo and yung ability mo to use Nihongo. It's actually a separate and more complex process. There are your options naman to stay in Japan if you're willing after your 5-year contract. In terms of contract extension, sa JET program po, 5 taon po ang maximum talaga. So, hindi na kayo pwede mag-extend beyond that. Pero may option po tayo to apply to other ALT companies. Pwede kayong lumipat sa mga dispatch companies like Interact, Borderlink, Altia Central. Maghanap kayo kung merong direct hire dyan sa inyong prefecture. Tulad sa Tokyo, naghahanap din po sila ng mga assistant language teacher, particularly yung mga nakapagtapos sa JET program 5-year contract. Pwede rin po kayo mag-transition to other visa. Yun ay kung makakahanap po kayo ng ibang work. Siyempre, willing mag-sponsor ng inyong visa. Like private school, office job, o kaya mga eikaiwa or yung mga English conversation teachers. Another option po, pwede kayong mag-apply sa mga international schools o kaya mga higher paying teaching jobs. Pero syempre, medyo kailangan ng mas pataas na credentials. Okay, to sum up, hindi po automatic na kayo ay magiging Japanese citizen after 5 years. At kapag naka 10 years naman kayo, kailangan may mga requirements po tayong dapat ma-meet. But the good news is, pwedeng-pwede pa rin kayo magstay dito sa Japan even after your contract as long as may nahanap na kayong trabaho. Marami pong pathways para makapag-stay dito sa Japan. Yun lang po and follow me for more ALT tips.